Hey guys, today we're going to be creating a multi-user LangChain AI agent. Actually, it'll be a PDF reader. Okay, so this is a little demo of it. So if you go all the way to the side and click Browse File, and I'm gonna choose the uh, PDF. Okay, click Open, and then it'll say loading in the backend. I won't show you that. So it's loading, you can see running. Once the PDF is loaded, it'll say this. And we're going to be using Gemini for this, as the brain of it. For example, I have the PDF right here, if you can see. Is this a PDF I generated by ChatGPT? And for example, let's say, what is the, what is the PDF about? Okay, that question. Okay, what is the PDF about? Okay, now and click enter. Okay, it's gonna be loading and it's gonna be thinking it's gonna be using Gemini. And the answer is it is a multi-user AI agent in Streamlit app. So if I open it, that is correct. That's intelligent right there. Okay, so this is the project we're going to be creating for this tutorial. I hope it is going to be a pretty quick, beginner friendly project. Let's get into it. And now I'm here in Visual Studio. Okay, it's a free editor and I always use it. And if you're using it, come and hop on with me and let's get into the project. So to open a folder, if you click on the file on the top and click folder, and then here I have my other tutorial, remember from previous video. I have it here, and then just click new folder, rename the folder. I already done, and click your folder and click on select. Now you're here. So we'll start off by the code. So create a new folder called .streamlit. It's a little secrets, where the Gemini APIs and all that things goes. That's where we're gonna be putting our our secrets. We're only gonna be using one secret, and it's obviously the Gemini's API key. And there's secret normal, and then another folder. It's just gonna be one single folder app PY, not too shabby. Now let's get into the secrets. As I told you in the previous video, I'll copy this from my doc. Right here, the Google API key, okay? Remember, write in capitals and put quotes in here. If you go over to your, your browser and type in Gemini API key right here and click on the first one, Google AI Studio. Click on create API key. And if you're new to this, I should recommend of we're creating a new project, okay? And I'll hop on with this with you guys. So if you go here and write in Cloud Google, click on that. If you're new to this, you can click on Start Free on the top. But if you're already logged in, as I am, I click on Console. And then down here, you'll see APIs and Services. Click on that. And then here, if you click on the Research Agents and click New Project, and you name it as, I don't know, whatever you want to name it as. I'm going to write it as PDF Agent Tutorial. And just leave as no organization, or if you want, you can browse it. Click Create. I'll be creating your project. Until it's created, click Select Project. Okay. And then now your project is created. So head over back. We don't need this. Click on refresh on it. and click create API key. And then here you'll see your API key, okay? But I don't have my API project, so I'm just gonna put whatever I have. Click create API, and click copy. And go back, head back in there, and in the quotes, paste in your key, okay? Now let's get into the real code. As I said, it's gonna be a very small project. And by the way, I'll create one more folder for the dependencies, okay? And I have it right here in my docs. Here. And then Python create terminal, and then do pip install -r tab, and enter. Click on no to this. Okay, done. Show again. For me, it says requirement already satisfied. For you guys, it'll probably be installing and taking a few seconds. I'll be there when mine's installed and get ready. Okay, my things is installed. Now if I head over to my API, now we can get into the real coding. So start off by the importations. Importations right here. Okay, import OS. Import Streamlit as the web app. LangChain, I like LangChain. And then GenAI, Google, and temp file. Okay? Okay. The next one is we're gonna pick up the our secrets. So it's saying if we're in the env file, do this. If we're in the secrets, as we created here, Google API, okay, same thing. But it's more safe to do it here than the env file. Okay? We'll start creating our Streamlit page by creating our first LangChain PDF QA agent. Ask everything we want. Okay? And then we're gonna create a button that is the file upload file button. It's gonna be a PDF type. Okay? Now we're gonna do if upload file. If upload file, if the file button clicked and then the file is equal to a PDF, then accept it and go on with the next step, or else say it's not a PDF, or Okay, and then inside the try we'll put this try thing. It's okay if we get an error, we're gonna fix that later. And then we're gonna set up our LLM. Set up LLM. Make sure it's not Gemini Pro. If you have paid the Gemini for a little bit of cash, you might can do Gemini Pro, but I haven't, so I'm gonna do Flash. 2.0 Flash is a very it's a free model that is cheap and it is also more reasonable. So I just chose this. So the next one we're gonna do is street success. So if the PDF is equal to a success, then do this. Okay? Okay. And then if ask the query, ask the query. If we ask the query of it, like for example, what question? Any question will go in and see a nice spinner, like I showed a spinning thinking load. Okay. And then we nearly finished. It's just a little bit of lines of code. I hope I'll create more bigger projects for you guys. And make sure it is under the try. It's right here and click paste that. And then accept exceptions. If it is failed, the whole system, then say this error. And that's the whole project. It's not a big one, because lots of people like short videos as I showed in other tutorials. And yeah, that is it. We do Control Shift P, create terminal, then Streamlit run the file, run it. Okay, it's gonna take a few seconds. I have it right here. It's loading. And then it says there's no secret in Google API key, because if you go back here, it says Google API key. Okay, and there you go. I think my editor being a little funny these days, so that's why it's been a bit wonky and stopped the extensions of mine. I fixed it back, and then here it is. Okay, it's a 10-minute video, or maybe 11. Click browse file, choose your PDF, click open, and just reading the PDF right now. Just wait for a few seconds. And there you go. There you go. The whole agent I built out in like 12 seconds. So thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you hit the subscribe button and the like, and comment down what I should do next time. And hope I make a more advanced project than before. Have a good day, and bye.